Okay, folks, negative exponents. I told Cecilia a second ago they kind of threw this in here at the end of this chapter, but that's okay. This definition here is sort of a formal definition. I'm going to talk about why in just a minute. All things that you know that explain why this is the way it is. Okay? Basically, this definition says that if A is a non-zero, so A doesn't equal 0. If it's a non-zero real number, and n in itself is positive, okay, A to the negative n is equal to 1 over A to the n. So what you do is, anytime you have a number, let's say 3 to the negative 2 power, this negative sign here is not saying that the number is negative. The value of the number is not negative. It's saying I'm on the wrong side of the fraction bar. Okay? I need you to put me on the right side of the fraction bar. So I need to move this number, the 3 to the negative 2, I need to move it below and write it now as 3 squared. Now the negative goes away because the number's saying I'm on the right side of the fraction bar now. Thank you. What's left on top? Just a 1, right? Okay. Now I didn't flip it. Understand that I didn't flip it. Because watch this. If this number, let's look at this separate fraction. Let's say 2 x to the negative 2 y cubed over z to the 4th. Okay? Strange fraction. Okay? But let me ask you this. We have to look at each thing in the term. Grace, what is the exponent of the 2? The exponent of
negative 2?
No, of the 2 itself.
1.
Just 1. You see? I don't see it there, but there it is. It's 2 to the 1st, x to the negative 2, y to the 3rd, over z to the 4th. Okay? Let me ask you this, Dylan. Looking at all these different things in this fraction, how many of them are in the wrong place? So x to the negative 2. It's the only one that's in the wrong place. Okay? So I'm going to leave 2 up here because it's in the right place. It has a positive exponent. I'm going to leave y cubed up here because it has a positive exponent. I'm going to take x and put it underneath because it has a negative exponent. It's saying I'm in the wrong place. Please put me on the correct side. Okay? Now I'm in the right place. And then I have z to the 4th. Okay? So you're not flipping. You're just taking anything that has a negative exponent, you're putting it on the other side of the fraction and making the exponent positive. Okay? Now let me show you why that works. Why that's happening. Okay? I need that space. Now, Cecilia, let me ask you this. Okay? X squared times x to the 3rd is equal to what?
X to the 5th.
So you added the exponents. Do you agree? When I'm multiplying, I add the exponents. All right? Let's do this. X to the 5th divided by x to the 3rd is equal to what? Anybody? What do you think, Sophia?
X to the 5th.
Divided by x to the 3rd is equal to?
I know, x to the 5th times.
Okay. Help? Bella? X squared. When I'm dividing, I subtract the exponent.
What?
Okay? Do you agree that this is also the same as x to the 5th over x to the 3rd? Do you agree with that? And when I cancel, right, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1, 2, 3, right? Boom, boom, boom. I just subtract, and it gives me x squared.
That's so weird.
Okay. Now, here's the next one. Thank you. Here's the next one. All right? You know what? With 10 seconds, I'm not going to rush it. I'm going to stop here. We'll pick this up in the next video.